Hey guys, so today I'm doing this green half cut crease glitter kind of look for you guys. I literally just came up with it right now. I don't know how I feel about this, but that's how it came out. Let's just get started and I'm gonna start by priming my eyes. So I just use the Pro Conceal, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Natural. So I don't use the eyeshadow primer. I just prime my eyes with concealer. I feel like a lot of people do that now. So I put a good amount. And what I do is, I don't use a brush, but I use my finger, but I don't like rub it. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I kind of just, as if my finger is like a beauty blender, but it doesn't grab as much product. So I kind of just, I don't know how to explain it. I just really dab lightly in fast motion, slow, and I don't know, I feel like I get the best coverage like that. So I just do that. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you can. Alright, so once I'm done putting that, usually what I used to do is I'd set it with a translucent powder, but ever since Daisy, what's her name, Daisy Marquez, I don't know, but I watched a video and she did it. She was saying how she did her eyeshadow without setting it with powder, like translucent powder. So I'm just going to be taking this shade right here, the darkest green that's in there, and I'm just going to be packing that color like on my eye. Doesn't have to be perfect, just, oh, you know, I forgot. There you go. Oh, so my hair got stuck. There, that looks pretty even. So anyways, continuing packing that green color into my crease. Not too high, I kind of blended it high, hold up, but just keep it low. And that's basically what I'm doing. I'm kind of squeezing it. It's not like so much. Okay, so and what I like to do is, okay, as you can see, I put more product out here than here. The reason I did that was because, like, I want this to be more lighter and this to be more darker, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna pack more here so it looks like darker. You know what I'm saying? And even if you mess up, it's fine. You're gonna blend it out, because right now it looks a little blotchy. It's all good. Or I mean a little like rough. So I'm gonna just keep packing that color on. Okay. So once I've packed it on, that's the look. No, I'm just playing. But then I'm gonna take a more fluffier brush, and I'm gonna take, oh, was this the same brush? Same brush. Fluffier brush, and I'm gonna take this, the color right above it, the lighter green, and I'm just gonna be blending that color out, like blending the edges out, and then that's when I bring the color over here, because it's a lighter green. So just gonna blend those edges out. And then just keep blending until you think it's like, you know, to your preference, till you think it's blended enough. Oh, I got it too high. I hate when I do that. See, this one's lower, this one's higher. It's fine. Okay, just keep blending. Keep blending. Your preference. It's really better. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Now, what I'm gonna be doing is, okay. Taking my Jaclyn Hill palette. These are literally the only two palettes I use now, because They're bomb. So I'm taking a small pencil brush, I like to call it. It's like a little fluffy, mini fluffy brush. And I'm going to be taking this in the middle. It's like a really, really deep, like, green. It's like almost black, but green. So I'm going to take that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack that on the edge right here. And then kind of blend it out. I'm kind of just looking here. And don't blend it too high. Like, leave this part lighter. And then kind of just blend it in. So that's just what I'm doing. And so like what I'm doing here is wherever I'm gonna cut the crease, I like to blend this color, like, oh, I don't explain it, it's like so hard to explain. Just what I'm doing, like, kind of make a line, that makes sense. So where you're gonna cut the crease, it's like gonna be dark, so you get that little dimension. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but that's how I'm doing it. So take that pencil brush, and then I'm gonna go back with the big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna kind of blend it out more, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I think I like it actually. Okay, so I don't know if on camera, oh my god, it looks, this one came out way better than, I already can tell it's gonna come out better. Because I blended it too fucking high. You know what I'm gonna do? Actually, take a clean, like a clean brush with no makeup on it, and just kind of blend it out. And it'll kind of, hopefully, get rid of some of that color up there. There you go. It's more blended now, so that looks good. I'll just blend this one higher, guys. And you see, like, if you don't like it, like, you just feel like you need to keep adding more color, just add more color. Fuck. So I'm just gonna add more of that green from earlier. Oh god, I feel like sniffles coming. Okay. I'm just gonna add more in here just because I want more. When I cut the crease, I want it to, like, yeah. So first thing, I'm just gonna wipe a little bit off of that where I'm gonna cut the crease, just because. Okay. Just because, like, concealer's gonna go here, like, anyway, so I don't know. I didn't really do that much, but there you go. There. It's good enough. Okay, so next thing is cutting the crease. I'm taking the same concealer I used, no, I lie. Taking concealer I used under my eyebrows. Where the fuck is it? It's right here. My little dumbass. Okay. Maybe I should zoom y'all in more, maybe. That help? I don't get it. So, I don't know if y'all can really see me that great. I really hope I'm zoomed in. Okay, so basically, okay, so I'm gonna be cutting my crease, and I'm trying to cut them similar. So I don't know, can you guys see? I guess it's see. I'm just gonna cut it. And then I'm gonna take this little eyeliner brush and kind of help it, like, cut it better. So it's like perfect, not crooked. There. I don't know how much you guys missed or not or whatever, because my camera just turned off, but okay, so basically it doesn't matter how, like, you know what I'm saying, like, this doesn't have to be perfect, this little part, because you're gonna put glitter over it anyways. So, but I guess I'm just kind of like a, I don't know, I'm like very like, it needs to be like perfect. If it's not perfect, then I get mad. Wow, this is literally the best that I've done my cut crease on, right? Like even, I should say. Okay, so once you're done with that, I'm just gonna set it with Airspun and take a, it's kind of a flat brush, I don't know, and set it. So it doesn't move. Okay. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go over it with a little bit of NYX Jumbo, the white Jumbo pencil, because I want it to be a little bit more white. Kind of hard to do it, but it's fine. It's kind of blend it out. Or I like to just take that concealer brush that I just used and do that. So I'm just going to take some of that and apply it. And take a little brush, doesn't matter kind, and put it like right on that edge where the two meet. Y'all see me? Yeah, y'all can see me. I hope I'm in focus. And then literally just add that all over. Not all over, but like right there. Even at the top right here. Alright, and then you add your little glitter. I just like to start with the middle and then work my way out, because the edges should be more sparse in my opinion. See, I'm not really amazing at makeup, but Alright, so now what I'm going to be doing is, I don't know if I should do eyeliner or not. I can't. No, I do an eyeliner. So next I'm going to be putting my lashes on. So I am going to be putting liner, but just not like a wing. I'm just going to do a line. You know, a line and my lashes. These lashes like don't go with this look at all, but I don't have expensive lashes, you feel, because your girl's broke right now, so I can't really afford those. But soon I'm gonna buy a good pair of lashes. I'm just gonna do my 15 minutes off camera, and I'll be right back. This completed look, I thought it was gonna be a disaster, not even gonna lie, but